everyone, astrobiologist here with the story of the dinosaur-killing asteroid and specifically how we know it was an asteroid. It's common knowledge now, but for most of human history, people were finding dinosaur bones and they were like, oh yeah, here be dragons. They didn't know how old they were. In fact, it wasn't until 1956 that geologists actually determined that the Earth is billions of years old. Categorization of dinosaur fossils begins in the early 1800s. They got some megalodon, they've got bipedal dinosaurs. It's a really exciting time to be a paleontologist. But nobody knows why these creatures went extinct, and nobody will know until the 1990s. Now, in the 1960s, a Mexican oil company is surveying the Gulf of Mexico when they uncover a crater about 200 miles across. But they don't do anything with this information, it's just classified survey data. Fast forward to 1980, where physicist Luis Alvarez and his son Walter Alvarez proposed that an impact event killed the dinosaurs. They had been researching something called the iridium layer, where iridium is highly concentrated in a layer all over the world. Now, the location of that layer coincides to the boundary between dinosaur time and no dinosaur time. Iridium is pretty rare on Earth, but it can be common in certain asteroids. In 1988, a geologist named Joanne Bourgeois finds evidence for a lot of material deposited by a massive tsunami all around the Gulf of Mexico. Now paleontologists are looking at the Caribbean. Eventually, somebody who knows about the oil company data talked to somebody who's looking for impact craters, and it all comes together. Now, the Chicxulub impactor is well-established science. But there were decades of hypotheses and data not being shared and wrong turns, surveys that found nothing, ideas that didn't work. Science is messy like that. It always is. And it's good that it's messy because usually new science comes out of the mess. Everything we know has a story like this. Science never moves in a straight line. That's all for today. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.